What's up guys? Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Again, welcome back to my channel, Dream Big with Dodong B. We are here right now sa Stampede Breakfast dito sa office namin, actually sa labas ng office. And this is hosted by AG and Associates. So maraming salamat po for inviting us to be part of this event. So ngayon guys, ang daming tao dito. Nag-breakfast sila. Hosted by FTG, tsaka syempre yung team namin. Yan. Yung team namin nag-set up na ng mga freebies para sa mga pamimigay natin. At the same time, we're very excited kasi later magkakaroon kami ng raffle, mamimigay tayo ng, ng bigas. So, stay tuned guys. Sana ma-enjoy nyo doon. Hopefully, sa susunod, nandito na rin kayo sa Canada with us. So, see ya! Siyempre, yan yung mga loot bags natin. Ito yung mga tickets. Ate Perla, mag-hi ka naman. Ayun, oh. Na-enjoy mo ba? Ayun. There's the Hanes, yan. So guys, sobrang saya dito. Dami tao. Sarap din naman pagkain nila. Yan, oh. Yan. Happy Stampede, everybody.
Jansen Larang. Is more bouncy clinic, dancers, Sam and Alvin, marketing and design, and of course the...
Okay ba? Enjoy ah. Sarap. Ano jokes, okay ba? Yeah! Yan o. Ayos yun bro ah. Yan o, palamig o. May interviewin natin to. Ayan guys, we're having hotdog, longganisa, pancake, tsaka kanin, tsaka bacon. Sarap dito, ibang klase yung breakfast nila. Dito sa congrats FTG, thank you very much. So, yan o.
Thank you so much.
Happy Stampede guys. Sa lahat ng mga kliyente namin nandito sa Calgary, I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you guys are all having fun. Fiesta natin to guys. It's a celebration. Nandito na kayo sa Canada. So, thank you Canada. You know.
Bouncy castles in the four corners of our...
Mabigay ka doon ng raffle tickets ha. Ayun no. Rinig ba kami dyan? Okay ba? Yan. Before anything else guys, you know, we are Dream Big with Dodong B. We do immigration services. Lahat, mapa-tourist visa, work permit, LMIAs, you name it, we can do it, you know. So dito yung booth namin guys. Syempre, we are thankful of Canada for being, natinala tayo ng Canada dito. So this is a celebration for everybody na Canada has really been good for us, you know. So palakpakan natin mga sarili natin guys. This is actually a celebration for everybody. And syempre, we want to thank AG and Associates for us and their family, Ate Abby and team. Thank you very much. You know, maraming salamat po. More power and congrats, you know. Tsaka syempre guys, sa lahat ng mga vendors dito, please support them, visit their booth. Tanungin nyo kung ano yung mga services nila and maybe bumili kayo ng mga product. So yun guys, I think we're ready for our first raffle draw. Lahat po ba meron ng mga tickets? Yun. Ate Perla, saan ka? Dito. Yun. So una guys, manibigay kami ng 2 merienda pack. At the same time, we're giving out 1 sack of rice. Then later on, marami pa. Yan. So sa mga walang tickets pa later, kasi marami pa tayong draws, make sure to find us there sa Dream Big with Dodong Pina booth and then find Ate Perla. Okay? Sir? Ramon, ano po?
Ramon Lamoste.
Ilang years na po kayo dito sa Canada?
35.
Wow, grabe. Sir Ramon. Yan.
Ito.
Okay, thank you po kuya. Thank you po.
Isay.
Ilang years ka na dito sa Canada?
2 months.
Well, 2 months visitor?
Student.
But guys, international. Congratulations, Isay. Yan. Guys, here's Jonah. Isa sa mga nanalo ng Soccer Prize. Congratulations, Jonah.
Thank you so much.
Letter C, wala ba? Ayun. Wow. Ay, ate, ano pa pangalan niyo? Sure? I-promote mo naman yung Viva niyo.
Viva product po, nandun may promo kami, $10 lang.
Si Cher, yeah. Ito po, congratulations. Ano pangalan mo? Sige ba, thank you. Teka, ano pangalan mo?
Christine.
Christine, may gusto ko bang i-promote?
So September 28, please watch Rosel Nava at the Villa.
Eto, Christine, bagay na bagay sa outfit mo, isang sakong bigas. Palakpakan niyo guys si Christine. Maraming salamat po. Thanks, team. Ate, what's your name po? Yeah. And congratulations, Ate Rona, ha? Here's your soccer friends. Guys, palakpakan niyo naman. Ate Rona, yeah, congrats. One more, Tim, one more. Ayos. Boss, ano sila? Anong pangalan niyo po?
Joby de la Cruz.
Congratulations. Pero bago ka manalo, isang iha na muna dyan, no? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yahoo!
Guys, palakpakan niyo po sa maraming salamat po. Again, thank you very much, Viva Calgary. Ate, kamusta kayo dyan? Yun, no?
Giving free speech.
Opportunity to give this award and acknowledgement that you guys have done such a good job here at celebrating the Calgary Stampede. So thanks very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah! Yeah! Then guys, sobrang na-enjoy namin to, sobrang pagod. Maraming salamat sa team namin. Mag-hello naman kayo dyan. Yan, mga dalawang mga international students natin na nag-graduate na. So, again, congratulations sa inyo. Yan. So guys, sa mga nanonood ng vlog namin, maraming salamat po. We really hope na sana next time makasama namin kayo dito sa Canada. Sa lahat ng mga taga-Calgary, happy Fiesta. This is a celebration for everybody for being here in Canada. So, thank you again, Dream Big with Dodong B. Thanks guys!
Thanks, bye!